This is a great week for our Jim Green community, as our Numzam boot, which has been on pre-sale for the last couple of months, is finally out for delivery. Not only that, but we are also going to be restocking of our African Ranger barefoot boots, along with 3 other color variations, and hence the reason for our video today. For our Numzam boot, we decided to come out with a veg tan leather in a natural and a walnut variation. Now, while we were doing this, we thought it's a great idea with the success of our barefoot boot to add these leathers as a premium option for the barefoot African Rangers. Now, along with the 2 veg tan leathers on the barefoots, we're also going to be adding a nubuck green and black due to popular demand. So we're very much looking forward to getting those onto feet. Regarding the new color variations on our barefoot African Rangers, they are either in stock already, depending on when we release this video, or will be on our website up for sale in the next couple of hours. They are not on pre-sale and actually physically in stock, so that means you'll get them in the next couple of working days. Now back to our veg tan leather and the reason for this video. And one of the most common questions we're being asked is how to care for the veg tan. So today we're going to be using a leather balm that we have been developing in-house over the past couple of months. Now, leather balms, they vary depending on the brand. The one that we have been developing, one of the traits that we wanted to put into this formula was that it didn't change the color of the leather that drastically once it has been applied and dried. So in front of me, I've got boots that I've worn from new and never polished. I've also got a boot that I have worn for a good couple of months and polished numerous times, which I was using to test many different variations of our leather balm. And we're also going to polish boots from brand new with our leather balm to show you what changes it has. Now the reason we do this is that so you guys don't end up disappointed once you get your boots and apply some kind of polish to it, for them to maybe look a different color or to not get the desired look that you are wanting. So the first boot is my African Rangers barefoot in a natural veg tan. Now this boot I've been wearing for the Stitch Down Patina Thunderdome. I started with them brand new and they are yet to be polished. So this is the first coat that they're going to be getting. Some of the patina that you can see here is due to me putting shoes on and off. So there's a lot of wear and tear on the toes here and around the heel area. You can start to see that the tongue of the boot is taking shape and some of the oils coming through here. So with time and wear, I'm very excited to see how this leather comes out, especially with a coat of polish on now. So the boot is now completely dried, and time to add some Jim Green leather balm. Boot number 2 is my Numzam boot in walnut veg tan. Now this boot I've been wearing for the past couple of months. It's also been part of the Stitch Down Patina Thunderdome, which I've been participating in, and this boot is yet to be cleaned. Now I've worn this boot a lot over the last couple of weeks in rainy and snowy conditions. I've had trips over to the USA and to the UK, and you can see that some of the wear is starting to show through here. Now something of interest that I noticed is after my trip to Salt Lake City, Utah, is that I spent quite a bit of time in the snow on one of the days, and I got quite a few salt stains around the toe of the boot and the side of the boot. But with some time and wear, this is now what the boots look like, and you can see there's no so you can't actually see where those salt stains were. So with time and wear, salt stains do disappear, but I'm interested to see what these boots look like once I've given them a bit of a polish. So the boot is now completely dried. As you can see, the salt stains are completely gone, and time to add some Jim Green leather balm. So this is one of our first prototypes of the Numzan boot, so it won't look exactly like the one that's on our website, but the leather that we use here is our natural veg tan. It is the same leather that we are using, and during testing this boot, it was the same time that we were testing various variations of our leather balm that we'll be selling later this year. So this boot was getting a coat of polish every single week. So the boot that's had a number of coats of various different variations of the Jim Green leather balm, and today it's getting another coat of the final formula we settled on. As this is a new boot, we're going to go straight into applying our new Jim Green leather balm. As you can see here, it's quite an easy substance to apply, so all you need is a leftover cloth or sponge. So the last new boot, our natural veg tan, and we're going to be doing the same Jim Green leather balm. And one of the properties is that we wanted this leather balm to not dramatically change the color of leathers.